How to upload high quality HD videos to WhatsApp status. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open WhatsApp on your device and now tap on the U option or the settings option on the bottom right of your screen. Here you will see the option for storage and data. Tap on that and now under the media quality tab you will see the option for upload quality. Tap on upload quality option there and then go ahead and select the HD quality option you see there. And with this, whenever you upload something to your WhatsApp status, it will be uploaded in HD quality. So this is how you can upload high quality HD videos to WhatsApp status. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.